How to increase Remitly limits. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can increase your Remitly limits, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to increase your Remitly limit, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Remitly application here. Once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to be able to set this type of interface. Let's say that you would like to go ahead and then basically increase your limit. For that, you have to just tap the My Remitly option that you can find here. Once you tap the My Remitly option from the bottom right of the screen, what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and then make sure to tap the increase limit section here. Now you can see three types of limits. One is tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. I'm already on tier 1, so if you want to increase the limit to tier 2, here are some of the information that you need. So you can see here your full SSN, your photo ID and everything as such. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and apply for tier 2. And after tier 2, you'll be able to go ahead and apply for tier 3 by just tapping the continue option here. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then increase your Remitly limits. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.